Hi, I'm Rose Hall, and we're recording live from the ITC Vegas at the Live at ITC set, proudly sponsored by Monitor. I'm here today with Jayend from Arivonix AI, and it's great to have you here.
Hey Ross, thank you. And I'm Jayend Krishnamoorthy, CEO of Arivonix AI.
What does Arivonix AI do?
So Arivonix AI is an enterprise-grade agentic AI platform. We specialized in InsurTech, and it's more of a platform that can ingest data from different sources, like it could be like a Snowflake, Databricks, Guidewire, and we bring all the data together in an agentic AI transformation stage. We also get it into a distribution channel where we help companies to get the commercial data out from the platform in a more like a 10x faster phase. That's exactly our specialty there.
That's outstanding. That's pretty fast.
Absolutely, yes. And this reduces the cost more than 5x times. And so in short, we also go and guarantee to a lot of our clients saying that we can build them a solution, end-to-end solution, just in 1 week. And we stage them, we do a hackathon and build the solution, deliver it in a week, and we come back. So that's how we do it.
That sounds exciting. How long have you been in business?
So we have been in business for 18 months. It's a startup company, but we have been in business for 18 months, and 2025 is a great year so far.
Fantastic. And Arivonix AI, so it's got AI in the name. Tell me a little bit about, is it Gen AI? You said something about agentic.
Yes, it is an agentic AI platform. Of course, agentic AI is much more like a more, how do I say, it's a matured state of an Gen AI, right? Just to give a little background, say any companies, they will start on investing on the data strategy and Gen AI strategy and GTM strategy. But why Gen AI strategy is very important is you have the GM strategy and you have the return of investment calculated from the GM strategy. That has to dictate to the Gen AI strategy, right? Most companies struggle in the Gen AI strategy because they have not figured out the GTM strategy properly. And there is also a wide issue too, where companies just rush them to get into a Gen AI strategy without understanding or without fixing the data strategy. And this is the gap Arivonix AI fixes them, because we have the complete end-to-end platform to bring the data into the system in less than a day. So it helps them to quickly fix all the data strategy and focus on the AI strategy.
Fantastic, and I've seen that too. There's a lot of great solutions here that are a lot of them hinging on AI.
Absolutely,
it's so powerful. Yeah.
So main thing is yes, you're right. You can see pretty much every companies here have something to do with AI.
Yeah.
And but what we have special is we have built it in the foundation itself. See, when it comes to AI, responsible AI is something very crucial, right? You can't give up on the responsible AI. And so we laid the foundation with all the AI governance first, and importantly, AI security. So most companies can build an AI, but they get stuck getting into the production. So what is our specialty is we have, since it's all built on a solid foundation of AI security and what we call a zero trust security, and also a 3-key encryption, a micro-segmentation, all this. I know it's more of a technical jargon, but this helps companies to take something that they build to the production quickly, rather than they focusing later to find out hey, how do I fix this problem? Because security and AI compliance is not something you want to mess around, right? That's pretty crucial for if you are producing an enterprise solution for your customer. That's pretty crucial.
Sure.
And that helps to build what we call an accountable AI solution to the customers. So
yeah, absolutely. So tell me what are you here to ITC for? What have you been
being in a startup company, this is of course, AI is a great space. We help InsurTech, transforming the data, and we are here in ITC, working, giving a co-speech with our customers, and moreover, this is a forum where, you see all the solutions. Just to start, right? Insurance is a very vast domain, right? You have all these claims, you have underwriting, and you have core line service, you have compliance, so there is a lot of things in insurance, right? This ITC is a special event for us because it brings us, it brings the customers, it brings the problem, it brings the people who brings the solution. Being also a startup company, it also brings in the investors here. So we are very excited to be in ITC because this is a event where it connects everything for us, and that's why it's a primary event for us in the year.
For sure. And the fact that it's a place to connect.
Absolutely.
It's pun intended, right?
It is much more than networking. It's much more than networking. It's much more than prospect hunting. This is where we do also learn how the market, insurance or insurtech market is growing next. And there is a lot of insights that is going to help us to pave the way for like what is going to happen next year, or what is going to happen in this industry for the next 5 years, right? And of course, like all this AI, AGI bubble will come to a different level of evolution, right? But this is the event that helps us to see how it is going to evolve. So that is an exciting thing to learn here, see how all this is going to evolve in the insurtech space. Yeah.
I'm with you. That's a big reason why I come here too, is I like to see the big picture. I like to see all the little solutions and then how it all flows into innovating insurance. And this has been an exciting one for me too.
Absolutely.
Outstanding. What else would you like to share with us?
So this event, we are also taking the stage. We are introducing what we call like an Arivonix agent Arivon. And this is even like a hyper accelerating all the data pipeline stage building. So it's more like it's a future that we are introducing in this event proudly, where you can take a user story and convert that user story just like that into a functional data pipeline that you can deploy in few clicks, right? So it's so powerful, and we are proud to take this stage and introduce that to our customers, to our prospects here. So that's why this event, for this specific year, is very special for us.
Fantastic, and it's a great place to launch new things.
Absolutely, yes.
And get the word out into the universe, which is what we're doing here.
True, very true.
Fantastic. Anything else for us?
Nope. That's all. But this is great event, and especially it's as you pointed out, a lot of learnings, and we are so happy to be here. And even though we are a startup, and we are so excited, and since it also brings us closer to our partners and investors, this is a wonderful event to enjoy. Yeah.
Fantastic. So glad to meet you. Thank you for sharing a bit about your experience and about Arivonix. That was an incredible conversation. A huge thank you, Jayend,
so much,
from Arivonix.
Thank you.
And special thanks to Monitor for sponsoring the event and making all of this possible here at Live at ITC.